Before we talk about earning money, building wealth, or becoming financially successful, we need to ask one important question. Do we have the wisdom to handle wealth when it comes? The Book of Proverbs tells us, how much better to get wisdom than gold? To get insight rather than silver. In this video, we explore why wisdom must come before wealth and how building the right mindset will protect us from mistakes, quick money traps, and financial instability. 1. Why wisdom is the true foundation of wealth. Young people today are surrounded by messages that say your value is in your income or success means luxury. But Proverbs teaches something completely different. For wisdom is better than rubies. Nothing you desire compares to it. Why? Because wealth without wisdom is unstable. We've all seen stories of athletes, celebrities, or even regular people who suddenly gained a lot of money, but lost it all just as fast. Not because they weren't smart, but because they lacked the understanding to manage it. Money without wisdom becomes a burden. But wisdom teaches discipline, patience, and purpose. Wisdom guides us to spend with intention, save with purpose, invest with patience. Avoid the traps of greed and dishonesty. Think of wisdom as the soil and money as the seed. If the soil is poor, the seed won't grow no matter how good it is. 2. Financial literacy. A responsibility, not an option, Proverbs tells us. The wise store up choice food and oil, but fools gulp theirs down. This isn't just about food, it's about stewardship. Money is a resource we are trusted with, and financial literacy is one of the most practical forms of wisdom. Being financially literate means protecting what you earn, growing what you have, avoiding harmful choices, showing maturity and responsibility. Even a small income, managed with wisdom, can build long-term stability. Stewardship starts with simple habits: budgeting, saving a portion of every paycheck, avoiding impulsive purchases, planning for emergencies. This mindset says, money is not my master, I am its manager. 3. The danger of get-rich-quick schemes. Every generation faces promises of easy money. From gambling and risky ventures to today's online scams, crypto hype, and influencer-driven shortcuts. But Proverbs warns us, dishonest money dwindles away. But whoever gathers money little by little makes it grow. Quick money is dangerous because it preys on impatience, greed, desperation. Young adults especially are targeted through social media lifestyles that hide the truth. The consequences of chasing fast money: losing your savings, damaging trust with others, delaying real financial growth, falling into cycles of debt. Real wealth takes time. Shortcuts often lead to setbacks. For how values shape your spending and saving money choices reflect what we truly value. Spiritual principles like honesty, gratitude, and discipline transform how we manage money. Here's how values influence our actions. When values guide our finances, money becomes purposeful, not stressful. We avoid comparisons. We build stability instead of chasing status. Money becomes a tool, not a master. 5. Thinking beyond today, generational prosperity. Most people think only about the present, bills, short-term goals, or comfort. But wisdom encourages us to think long-term, even beyond our own lifetime. Generational prosperity is not just leaving money behind, it means leaving values, discipline, financial knowledge, stability. Small habits today, creating a budget, avoiding debt, saving consistently, become the foundation future generations can build upon. Instead of asking, what do I want right now? Start asking, what will strengthen my family and future? Every wise choice becomes part of a legacy that will outlive you. Closing message: wisdom before wealth. That is the foundation Proverbs gives us. When wisdom comes first, money becomes a blessing, not a burden. Wealth grows slowly but securely. We avoid shortcuts and scams. We build stability, discipline, and purpose, and we create prosperity that lasts for generations. This is where true financial freedom begins.